In this beginner tap dance lesson tutorial, you're going to learn a combination designed to go to the song Crush by Tessa Violet. And this combination is part of a larger bonus beginner lesson series, which you can get at unitedtaps.com. I think you'd have a great time with that. If you're new here, I'm Rod from unitedtaps.com, where we're making people just like you happier and healthier through tap dance. Without further ado, let's jump right in. Starting with the right foot, we have stamp, stamp, one buffalo, step, step, stamp. Oh, I'm going to do that again. That was stamp, stamp, right buffalo, step, step, stamp. We'll put some counts on it. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And 6, 7. One more time. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And 6, 7. From there, starting with your left foot, shuffle, ball change, step, heel, dig. Why, yes, I'll do that again. That was shuffle, ball change, step, heel, dig. On those step heels, I am crossing the right foot behind. Step, heel, behind, step, heel, dig. All right, from the shuffle, ball changes one more time. 6, 7, 8, shuffle, ball change, step, heel, dig. Beautiful. Let's connect it all from the top. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And 6, 7. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. And you notice I give you a little time to think after the right buffalo, step, step, stamp. You can think shuffle, ball change. You get a little bit. Not a lot, but I'll give you a little. We'll roll that again from top. 6, 7, and stamp, stamp. Right buffalo, step, step, stamp. Hold, shuffle, ball change, step, heel, dig. One more time, then we're moving on. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And 6, 7. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. From here with your right foot, right buffalo, dig, dig. Right buffalo, dig, dig. I'm just leaving the foot crossed in front. Right buffalo, dig, dig. You'll do right buffalo. I'm mirroring you. Dig, dig. Right. So this allows me to do the proper crossing. So when I can, I will work in proper crossing. So again, that's with the right foot. We'll do that new part. Buffalo, dig, dig. 6, 7, 8. 1 buffalo, dig, dig. 2 buffalo, dig, dig. Followed by dig, toe, stamp, dig, toe, stamp, dig, toe, stamp, dig, toe, stamp, dig, toe, stamp. Yep, there's 5 of them. I knew he was holding his hand for something, right? 5 of them. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. With our counts, it goes like this: 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. I am going to call that syncopation. If you look up syncopation in the dictionary, it's got somewhat of a complicated definition. But whenever we do a step that starts on the beat, then off the beat, then on the beat, then off the beat, it alternates. I'll call that syncopation. It can also go off the beat, then on, and off and on. It doesn't matter if it starts off or on, as long as it's alternating, we can call it syncopation. And it can be a straight rhythm like this: 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Or it can be swing: 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. It doesn't matter if it's swing or straight. What matters is, are you alternating the timing of that step to go on the beat, which means a number like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8? Are you alternating from being on the beat, which is on a number, to being off the beat, which in this case for us is and, but it could be e or But in general, it's the and, right? So that will qualify as syncopation for us. Cool! Let's go from right buffalo, dig, dig, right buffalo, dig, dig, into 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. We're going to connect those two pieces together. 5, 6, 7, and right buffalo, dig, dig, right buffalo, dig, dig, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Yeah, let's roll that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, and 2, and 4, 5, and 6, and 8. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. And if you are able, while you're doing the buffaloes for this, you want to listen closely, is my shuffle early? Hopefully not, but if it is, I know how to fix it. Is my shuffle jerky or swing? I know how to fix that. Or is it scraping? You're trying to catch those details in the context of a combination, if you can. Right up top, we'll connect everything. 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 6, 7, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and new part now. 1 buffalo, dig, dig, 2 buffalo, dig, dig, 1 and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Yeah. Let's roll out a couple more times, then we'll hit some music. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 6, 7, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1 and 2, and 4, 5, and 6, and 8. 1 and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. If you're enjoying this combination, be sure to hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell. I'll give you a second to do that right now. And of course, drop a comment down below. Let us know that you're having a good time. We always love to hear from you. Again, if you're enjoying this combination, it's part of a larger bonus beginner lesson series, which you can get at unitedtaps.com. All right, let's go back to the breakdown. Here we go, front and top. 6, 7, 8. Yeah. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. Roll it again. 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Solid. I think we're going to try real speed. That's only a 3% increase. I know some of you are like, hey, that's a lot, man. When you're hanging on for dear life at this current speed, 3% jump is a lot. But when you're comfortable, it's not so bad, so hopefully it won't be too much of a jump for y'all. Here we go, real speed. 6, 7, 8. Yeah, roll that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, one more. 5, 6, 7, 8. Before it starts again. Cool. So if we get through that, hopefully that all went well. You finished 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Spank, step, stamp, clap, left buffalo, step, step, left buffalo, step, step. All right, I'm going to do that all again. Starting with my right foot, 6, 7, 8. Spank, step, stamp, clap, left buffalo, step, step, left buffalo, step, step. Now for these buffaloes, normal buffalo, when I step, I'm crossing right in front. And here's one of those situations, it does not make sense to flip that foot around and get into the front before the buffalo. No way. I'm going to go right from here, second buffalo, step, step. Now I will end with it cross probably, because that's easy. But starting it cross doesn't make sense on the second one. So let's do the buffalo, step, buffalo, step on the left. 6, 7, 8, 1 buffalo, step, 2 buffalo, step. Yeah, I pretty much crossed it at the end. One more time. 6, 7, and 1 buffalo, step, 2 buffalo, the spank, step, stamp, clap. 6, 7, and spank, step, stamp, clap. 1 buffalo, step, step. 2 buffalo, step, step. From there, stamp, step, stamp, step, stamp. Again, that last part is stamp, step, stamp. Cool. From spank, step, 6, 7, and spank, step, stamp, clap. 1 buffalo, step, step. 1 buffalo, step, step. Stamp, step, stamp. Make sure you get the details. The left foot is flat, but the right foot is not. Stamp, step, stamp. Some people just do them all flat or all on their toes, but it's not like that. One more time from spank, step. 5, 6, 7, 8. Spank, step, stamp, clap. 1 buffalo, step, step. 2 buffalo, step, step. Stamp, stamp. From here, shuffle, ball, change, Irish. Shuffle, ball, change, Irish. Which in most circles is called a double Irish, but we'll just keep it as shuffle, ball, change, Irish. I mean, you call it double Irish, but we'll think of it as shuffle, ball, change, then Irish. So again, starting with the right foot, shuffle, ball, change, Irish. Shuffle, ball, change, Irish. Good. Let's add that on from spank, step. 6, 7, and spank, step, stamp, clap. Left buffalo, step. Left buffalo, step. Stamp, step. Shuffle, ball, change, Irish. Shuffle, ball, change, Irish. Right foot cramp roll, stamp. Right foot cramp roll, stamp. Again, from the right cramp roll the first time, right foot cramp roll, stamp. Right foot cramp roll, stamp. Cool. Let's go from the shuffle, ball, change, Irish and do that into the cramp roll. Starts on the right. 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, and 2, and 4, 5, and 6, and 8. 1. Why, yes, we'll do that again. Same thing. Shuffle, ball, change, Irish. Right foot. 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, and 2, and 4, 5, and 6, and 8. 1. Now let's back it up to spank, step, stamp, clap. That starts on the right. 6, 7, and spank, step, stamp, clap. Left buffalo, step. Left buffalo, step. Stamp. Shuffle, ball, change, Irish. Shuffle, ball, change, Irish. Right foot cramp roll. Right foot cramp roll. Stamp. You don't really get to pause before the shuffle, ball, change, Irish. Because right before that we do stamp, step, shuffle, ball, change, Irish. Let's practice that transition. 6, 7, and stamp, step, shuffle, ball, change, Irish. Let's do that again. 6, ready, go. Stamp, step, shuffle, ball, change, Irish. One more time. 6, ready, go. Stamp, step, shuffle, ball, change, Irish. Cool. We're going to connect at top. See what happens. 6, 7, and stamp. 1 buffalo, step, stamp. Shuffle, ball, change, step, heel, dig. 1 buffalo, dig. 2 buffalo, dig. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and new part. Now spank, step, stamp, clap. 1 buffalo, step. 2 buffalo, step. Stamp, shuffle, ball, change, Irish. Shuffle, ball, change, Irish. Right foot cramp roll, stamp. Right foot cramp roll, stamp. All right, well, we'll roll it with music. Hopefully that'll help a little bit. You don't really get to pause going from here. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and go. I'll do that again. There's no pause. 6, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2, 3, 4. One more time. 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Hopefully that'll help meld those two pieces together. All right. We shall go from top. I'm going to drop it back down because we added that new stuff that's probably a little bit more challenging than the first half. There we go, -3. All right. Here we go, my friends. Let's give it a shot. 6, 7, 8. second half of the song. See how that goes. All right, here we go. Another shot. 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. At least 1 or 2 more times this speed, and then we'll try real speed and see how that goes. All right, hopefully it's going well for you. Let's give it another shot from the top. -3, 6, 7, 8. Let's jump to real speed. Pardon me. Yeah, we'll jump to real speed and see how that goes. Here we go. Real deal. Good luck. Have some fun. Don't forget to smile while you're tapping. 6, 7, 8. Let's roll it one more time, real speed. Here we go. Last one, making your best. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well, thank you so much for tapping with me. I hope you had a wonderful time with that combination. If you enjoyed it, you might like our larger bonus beginner lessons package, which you can get at unitedtaps.com. Every lesson has a warm-up, across the floor, a little bit of technique, and a final combination at the end, similar to what we just did. So I think you'll enjoy all that. If you did have a good time, please hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell. I'll give you a second to do that right now. And drop a comment down below. Let us know if you had a good time and what you might like to see in the future. Thank you so much for tapping with us. I, of course, am Rod Howe from UnitedTaps.com, making you happier and healthier through tap dance.